Most of the programming courses that I know typically would explain a lot of the basics of the language, and then in the very end of the course they start to teach what is an OOP, and typically there is a focus on the OOP syntax itself. So the students end up knowing the OOP syntax, but they don't get the most important part. They don't get the mentality shift of viewing everything in a project in terms of objects that are interacting together. In this course, I took a very fundamentally different approach to teach the OOP. If you noticed, we started a bit earlier in the course, like the middle of the course, by teaching what is a class and what is an object. And then we had a series of projects that I pushed you to think in them in terms of objects and their relationships. I hope by this stage you already know what is an object and how to view things in terms of objects and their relationships. I hope you already acquired a lot about this skill. The objects are the fundamental and the most important part about an OOP. There are a lot of other minor concepts and a lot of techniques that can be used and added to it, but really in the heart of it, thinking and things in terms of objects. And I hope through the current project so far, you learned about them. In this section, we will learn about the remaining details about the class and object, and I thought having them a bit late is much better than providing all of them early. And then the next few sessions we'll learn about other fundamental concepts in OOP, such as inheritance and polymorphism. So I believe that this is really how things should be, and I hope and my view is by the end of the course you really have much better design skills and have much better project building skills and have the ability to view things as an objects and their relationships together. That's all.